G'day guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Sean. If you're new here and you're wondering what I talk about tech, gaming, tutorials, streaming, anything and everything technology related. But today I just wanted to whip together this video for you guys on Apex Legends. It's an awesome game. I absolutely love it. This is me purely just benchmarking the game and sharing the results with you. I've benchmarked it at 1080p, 1440p and 4K in low to medium settings and high to max settings. So there'll be two videos per resolution, and this is, I guess, just to help you guys figure out whether or not you need to upgrade your system or maybe compare systems with what I have. So if you like this video, then chuck it a like. If you didn't like this video, give it a dislike and maybe tell me why, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more videos coming out this year. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.